This is Vention's 8-in-1 USB 3.0 hub with individual power switches. Works with PC, laptop, phone, tablet. Specification, it's black, 3.0, nickel plated, 5 Gbps USB 3 with 12 volt for 2 amps input power. The shell is ABS shell. And there's a scratch and check sticker on the corner here. You can scratch to see if the code works on the website. And check if your Vention product is original. As to the verification, you can go to vention.xin and enter your verification code. And then it'll tell you if the product is a genuine Vention product. Though I suppose it kind of beats the purpose because the website is listed on the sticker itself. So this website even could be a fake website on its own. So this kind of beats the purpose of the whole thing. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. So there is to it. There's the power brick. And a USB cable. The USB cable is a USB-A to USB-B. Now, they included USB caps for each of the plugs, which is kind of nice. That's the USB-A. That's the USB-A. It goes to USB-B. It's kind of rare to find USB-B plugs, but works great for this one. Power plugs here, and you can use each of these buttons to enable or disable your USB plug. Power goes on to the power plugs. USB goes on to USB 3. You can power off and power on each individual USB plug. And the USB plug goes to USB. And you can populate this with all USB that you need. Turn them on. Now I got 6 hard drives plugged into the whole thing and they are all detected perfectly. But hey, it works and you can plug in 6 hard drives, and thanks for watching and please do subscribe.